Good morning, everyone. Let's start the exercise of the poem The Free Man. We have read this yesterday. I hope you have understood it well. Today, let's do the exercise. In the first question, there are true false. Whether these sentences given are true or false, you are to tell. So, let's read the first one. This poem is about nobody. Is it true? No. This poem is about a free man. So this question is false. This is not true. The answer is false as it is written here. Sentence 2. The free man has a small amount of money. Yes, it's true. The free man has a small amount of money. This is the true. So let's come to the third one. The free man has a sword. Yeah, it's also true. He has a sword also. Broad sword to protect himself. The fourth one is the free man is careless and sad. Is it true? No. In the whole poem we have read that free man is very happy, contented, and he is not afraid of anyone. So the free man is careless and sad. This is false. Instead, he is peaceful and happy. Sentence number 5. The free man is happy. Yeah, it's true. The free man is happy. He is not sad. So these we have done. True, false. Let's repeat. First, this poem is about nobody. This is false. The free man has a small amount of money. This is true. The free man has a sword. This is also true. The free man is careless and sad. This is false. The free man is happy. True. Okay? Clear? Let's come to the second part. The second part is of question answers. You have to listen this very carefully because you have to write these answers, question answers in your notebook also in a very good handwriting. Let's come to the first one. Why does the free man say that no one can hurt him? Why does the free man say this? The free man says this because he has a good broad sword. Okay? No one can hurt him. No one can harm him because he has a good broad sword. Understood? The free man has a sword. That's why he thinks that no one can hurt him. So what will be the answer? The free man says that no one can hurt him because he has a good broad sword. Clear? Now let's come to the next one. What makes the free man free? What makes the free man free? What are the things that make him free or make him feel happy every time and enjoy everything? What are that things? Okay, as we have done in the poem. So I'm telling you what can be the free man. What makes a free man free? The free man is free. He does not care about others. The free man does not care about others. He can defend himself as he has a good broad sword and live as he pleases and live as he wants. Understood? Free man does not care about others. He can defend himself and live as he wants. This independent nature means he does not listen others. He does whatever he wants. Okay, this independent nature makes him free. Understood? What makes a free man free? He does not care about others. He can defend himself. He lives as he wants. This independent nature makes him free. Understood? Come to the question 3. Do you think is it possible for us to live like the free man? Do you think? Here you are to tell what do you think. The answer can be different also. Whatever the answer I am telling you, it is not true that will be the correct answer. The answer can be according to you also, what you think. Okay, so here I am telling what I think. Do you think it is possible for us to live like the free man? Yes, it is possible for us to live like free man, because we can live our life independently. We can live on our own, but sometimes we need help of others also. Okay, but most of the time we can live like free man. This is my answer. Okay, you can write your answer in your notebook. Understood? So today up to here we are to do. I hope you have understood it well, and you are to write these question answers in your notebook. Okay, so read it